What if I told you cooking is one of the biggest reasons humans became so intelligent? Almost every animal eats its food exactly as it finds it. Humans are one of the few exceptions. But why would our ancestors spend extra time cooking when they could just eat immediately? To understand that, we need to travel back hundreds of thousands of years. Back then, finding food was already difficult enough, and even after catching food, eating it was hard work. Raw meat is chewy, raw roots are tough, many plants are difficult to digest. Then humans discovered something that changed history forever: fire. Cooking softened food before it even entered the body. Suddenly, chewing became easier. Digestion became easier too. Your stomach didn't have to work nearly as hard anymore. That meant your body had extra energy available every single day. Scientists believe that extra energy helped grow larger brains. Bigger brains meant smarter thinking. Smarter thinking led to better tools. Better tools made hunting much easier. More food meant stronger and healthier families. Cooking also killed many dangerous bacteria hiding in raw food. Fewer bacteria meant fewer deadly illnesses. People who stayed healthier had a better chance of surviving. They also lived long enough to teach the next generation. Knowledge started passing from parents to children. Every generation became just a little smarter than the last. All because humans learned to cook. But cooking changed more than just our bodies. It brought people together every evening. Around the fire, stories were shared. Plans for tomorrow's hunt were made. Friendships grew stronger. Some scientists even think this helped language develop faster. Cooking may have transformed not only our bodies, but our society. Without cooking, humans might never have built civilizations. There might be no schools, no science, and no smartphones. Every hot meal you eat today carries a history that's hundreds of thousands of years old. So the next time you cook dinner, remember, you're continuing one of humanity's greatest inventions. What fascinating topic should we explore next?